Okay, so this is where we take out the bath.
This is where your bath, your jacuzzi upstairs. This is where the
You said the wall crack.
basin pipe
Okay.
run over this. It come down through the wall, the pipe run in the wall.
Okay.
So it bursts. So the water will run from underneath your jacuzzi bath. That soak underneath the tiles.
Okay.
And it come down through the wall because the wall is burst, it crack. See?
Yeah.
So see where the water run here? See that? Water is.
Yeah, that's still into the
So
concrete.
clean it up to the just to see where the water is coming from. See? The water here, so. Water. See that?
Yeah.
Water. So the water come through the crack of the wall. But as soon as no more water now coming out that area upstairs, this will stop leaking and dry up. So what we have to do is take down this and flush it up back. Or we have to take it down and chop it out, flush it up back. You understand? You know, when you put it back, this is a mold where you have to take down, but sooner or later this can cause sickness. So all of this shit, you have to take down and probably you know, we put it back, this is a design, but you know, you have to take down that and flush it up back. And it cause all them things because water come through. Anyways, it's steel. Anyways, it's drop out.
Yeah.
That means the water come down and catch the steel. So the steel start
Rotting.
rusting.
Yeah.
And when it start rusting, all of that now, see, it create, what they call it now, it creates mold. You know, like the steel them. What means the water catch them. When you see them start rotting like this,
Yeah.
water catch them.
Okay.
You understand? If the water never catch it, it couldn't rot like that because it cast in on the wall. So if you see the wall break away from it and it's still rusty, water seep through that area. So you see through that area never tile underneath your bathroom bowl, your bathroom wet now,
Jacuzzi tub.
yeah, the bath. Through it never tile, the water get to seep under the bottom of the tile into it.
Especially
On the
how
surface,
the plumbers never hook it up back
So if you know
properly.
this, yeah, so it's more back than anywhere else.
Yeah.
Here, so now, the water soak through here, so.
Okay.
So, that can, when you stop the water up, you have to clear up, so, yes, so now we come down.
Right, this part will be fixed.
So this now, the water may stop, it cut down in it too, so drop 2 spots. Now we don't let drop one, and you hardly see the water come, the water kind of cut down. So you realize that the water limited since water drop up there. I'm drop most of them up.
Okay.
Come couldn't be so much water underneath there.
The jacuzzi.
The jacuzzi. Just lay down on the floor like that.
Okay.
So this is what I do for check the whole system to see where it runs, see where the pipe is, and all this to get the clarity.
Alright.
Them they easy for put.
Well, let's go into the bathroom now. Let's see over the head. Over it. So this is where we tear down here. So right here, you see, because it's not
So
tiled
this now.
and the waist not working properly, that's why
This
it bang up.
burst. Pipe here. Burst.
Okay.
Not it. This is the piece that was over it.
Okay. Yeah.
This burst. This the whole here, so.
Okay.
Over this. But this was the part that burst, it cracked like that. Right, so you set there?
Yeah.
This is how it was, but it cracked, it bust right there. So it leak out the water, so this was just loose. And the water dropped through here, so now it run behind them tile and it come up on the wall. It run underneath the tile. And it seep.
Seep through,
And
okay.
that went up the wall downstairs.
Stairs, okay.
Understand? So I have to take off this, I will cut off it, so put on a new piece of pipe. I put on a coupling, and then put a piece of pipe in it and carry up, not up like this. It's supposed to come turn up so. And this pipe is supposed to be up so we can turn off easy and turn off. You shouldn't lie down like this, so I will upload this.
So the plumbers that worked on it before did not do a good job.
Plus, then you put no turn off on the hot water pipe, and the turn off on the cold water pipe not working for upstairs.
Right.
So you will change that and put on one turn off on this. That means when I work on the hot water, You know, run out of the heater and run the house. Because this, we can't take off this, you know, I know water in it.
No. No. Okay.
I find a way of taking it off.
And the problem now with here, the waste, when the plumbers check this and stuff, the waste has rotted.
Yeah, man.
And they didn't
There is
even
water
say.
come inside of the pipe. This connected up, but them I never turn on, them I never use. Them is what bring water to the bath.
The bath, right.
But these, just like I see it, it turn off just the same. All of them turn off. I mean just pull off this one for this one. But all of them they turn off like I see this. I don't move this all now. This.
So the plumber,
So they
plumber
lock it off,
did it.
but they still keep it connected.
What
So water come through it same way because this not working.
What craziness. So
Them-
we
them
as
done.
women would know that because
so
the
this
plumber is the
never
one
take
that
off.
moved the tub.
I'm going to take off this. This and put on a new one because this not working. See? But me now connect it back. You have the water already around through this wall. This pipe them I use now.
Yeah.
So you can't nobody use them because you not use the bath. So see water, the water is there so.
What the
Water
heck?
is full of water.
And it was constant because of how the last plumber handled the situation.
So the plumber they
Up to the waist is rotten.
Them like when I tell them say them not the money so them give a bad deal. So them give a
Scamming job. I'm gonna share this to enlighten those females who
So
don't know what to
want.
want.
And him say, Ray, I bet you tell him say you will pay him 2 times and tell him say you don't have the money because he might give you a bad deal. And you have to call him back over and over again, and by the time you come 2 times and 3 times, you collect 3 times a lot of money where you refuse to pay him. They know how to take the money from you. So since me a straight man, I'm going to tell you what them doing to you because I'm not a woman, I only don't want to know what to do.
Yeah.
When your boss you don't have no money, the first thing that a trade man they turn him off.
Yeah.
So people please, if a man going, you employ a man to work and he can do the work, but you tell him
Honestly,
yes,
you're gonna put the money together.
you can give him half, no one give him half, whatever. And we make a payment plan so you can get the work done the proper way. Okay? When you don't do that now, you don't just bitch it up because you're going to call him back soon. Give him what you have, he might come back soon, he might collect the rest of the last money and he might collect double. Fix the same thing when just done fix. So we show you, if you have one plumber coming in your house 2 times for one same job, you need to fire him. No plumber. I is a plumber. And no one ever called me for the same work twice. In the same place.
Alright, Mr. Bossman.
Alright, so
Yeah, thank you.
So this is
Thank you for the tip off.
this is-
Appreciate, much
cut-
appreciation.
Now cut off this now and put it on a lead top and you can use it. You can use this,
Alright,
but
thank you.
you can use the bath until
That fixed. I got it.
yeah, we can make you a bath too and tile it.
I'm tired.
Yeah, fix bath too.
I know you. I see you in action already, so thank you.
Alright.